ये भाई साहब क्यों चिल्ला रहे इतना? एग्जाम देने जाओगे लाइफ में, you have to follow 5 steps in every exams that will start from, already I explained, that is online. This is the first one. Second is written examination. Third is SSB oblique physical oblique. And the last and the most important is, now you name any examination in India. For this particular form we are having the eligibility criteria. This eligibility criteria depends upon your education and date of birth, means your age. Such as for NDA you required 11th pass from any stream, let it be art, commerce or science, you can apply for NDA. You should pass 11th class. JEE, NEET, CET, for all you have to be in the 12th pass. After that in the graduation, AFCAT, CDS, INET, CDSC, apart from that, SSC, CGL, CAPF, there are numerous examinations including UPSC, by which you can become IAS, IPS or IRS. लेकिन हर एक एग्जाम में यही स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी. तो अगर ये स्टेप्स आप एक बार समझ लेते हो, then throughout your career you will not have any type of problem. Got the point? Okay. Online form is over. Now come to written exams. Now written exams having variations as per the examination. Suppose you are preparing for your NDA. So as we know, in the NDA there are the 2 papers. That is math and GAT. Math is of 300 marks and GAT is of 600 marks. And for the qualifying a particular examination, the cutoff was 25% in each section. However, it can be increased or decreased as per the situation. Till 2025 NDA 1, the cutoff was almost around 350. But this time the cutoff has shoot up, and especially for the girls it crossed 400, and for the boys around, I think so, it will come 370 plus. So this is the first cutoff. Now in your 12th examination, you can appear for your JEE. Now for this particular examinations, only you require 3 subjects. That is PCM, Physics, Chemistry and Math. So after Diwali vacation, we will focus on this particular PCM and we will launch a separate batch for JEE and CET for those who are having their background very much clear. So these exams of your 12th standard. Once you qualified your written, then you have to go for the third stage in everywhere. Suppose you want to join the defense forces, then you have to go for your SSB. SSB known as Services, not service. Services Selection Board. It is not service. Why services? Because there are the 3 things: Army, Navy and Air Force. That is the reason it is known as Services Selection Board. It is a 5-day test. It is a 5-day psychological test in which you are going to check on the 3 parameters. The parameters are only 3 parameters, and all of you know the parameters is मनसा, वाचा या फिर बचना and कर्मणा. मनसा means psychology, vacha means IO, karmana means GTO. What is the requirement of these 3? In the defense forces, you must having these 3 qualities in a single parallel line. मनसा means what is our psychology, जो हम सोचते हैं, और जो हम सोचते हैं वैसा ही हमें बोलना चाहिए, और जैसा हम बोलते हैं हमें वैसा ही चाहिए. ठीक है ना भैया? अब होता क्या है कि हमारे दिमाग में थॉट प्रोसेस कुछ और चल रही है. कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे काश सोने को मिल जाए, रात के 11 बजने वाले हैं, और हम सो जाए आराम से, लेकिन यहाँ बैठे हुए दिखाने के लिए देखो हम पढ़ना भी चाहते हैं। देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन द मनसा एंड वाचा। आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस क्लास? यस सर। आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस क्लास? यस सर। Some of you are not ready. I know them. तो मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ, गलत बोल रहा हूँ? Am I right? Now, इसका क्या होता है, ये जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं वो इसी चीज को पकड़ते हैं ना। हमने बोल तो दिया कि वी आर रेडी फॉर द क्लास, हमने बोल दिया यस सर। नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट इज कर्मा, मींस एक्शन। एक्शन का मतलब है जो मैं पढ़ाने वाला हूँ वो आप कितना समझ रहे हो, समझ भी रहे हो कि नहीं समझ रहे हो। अगर ये तीनों चीजें आपकी इन लाइन हो गई, मींस मन, वचन एंड कर्म, you are the fit person to be an officer in the Indian Armed Forces. There are the people who are going for the SSB number of times, 5 times, 10 times, 15, 19 times. I do have the record. 19 times में बंदा एक SSB गया था, मेरे साथ था एयरफोर्स में, but he could not qualify. What was the problem? In the psychology, means उसकी जब तक ये तीनों चीजें एक नहीं होगी, आपको फौज कभी भी इंदर नहीं लेगी। सिंपल फंडा है। और अगर आपकी ये तीनों चीजें एक थी, एक हैं, जैसे आपका छोटा भाई लास्ट टाइम था जनरल उतेकर, ड्यूरिंग हिज 12th स्टैंडर्ड ओनली ही क्वालिफाइड एंड ही गॉट द रिकमेंडेशन फर्स्ट टाइम में, बिकॉज उसकी ये तीनों चीजें एक लाइन में है। तो बच्चों, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फ्रॉम टुडे, दैट ये तीनों चीजें आपको एक लाइन में लानी चाहिए। जो आप सोचते हैं वही आपको बोलना चाहिए, भले ही आपने गलत सोचा, दैट इज भी गलत। There is nothing like that. They want a true person. True person कौन होता है? जो अंदर है वही बाहर होना चाहिए। अगर है, then you are the fit material for the defense forces as an officer. So you can check yourself whether I do have this qualities or not. मनसा, वाचा and कर्मणा। तो ये हो गया third stage in your defense forces. Now come to the physical. Now if you are not going for the SSB and you want to join the army, navy, air force, paramilitary in the direct way, then you have to go for your physical ground. That is the 1.6 kilometer run which you have to cover in the different segments, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 30 seconds or 7 minutes, depend upon the services. 6 minutes, below 6 minutes. Air force I think so, 7, and navy is 6:30. And 10 pull-ups, 20 squats, push-ups, something like that. So you have to go for the second stage. If you want to choose to join the civil services, then you have to go for your interview. Suppose you want to become an IAS, IPS, SDM in the MPSC branch, anywhere, then you have to go for your interview. Even if you are going for your JEE, if the JEE after your cutoff is clear, then you have to go for the counseling. Counseling is as much as checking of your document and your interview. So in any of the examination in India, you have to go with this third stage known as SSB of the physical of the. Once you are through with, then the fourth is medical and document. Now only in the defense forces there is a strict medical standards, only in the armed forces, not in the civil. If you want to become an IAS, IPS or in the civil engineer, they don't require your मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड एज मच एज डिफेंस फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड। तो डिफेंस फोर्स का मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड अलग होता है। नाउ दिस योर कम्स डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, एवरीवेयर यू रिक्वायर योर डॉक्यूमेंट। डॉक्यूमेंट में क्या चाहिए होंगे आपको? 10th और 12th के मार्क लिस्ट और सर्टिफिकेट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आधार कार्ड, डोमिसाइल। इफ यू आर बिलोंगिंग टू एनी कैटेगरी, देन योर category certificate. If you are belonging to ex-serviceman or in the service personnel, then your service requirement document is known as ex-serviceman or relation certificate. If you are having these documents, you are fit with the documents. Now, what happening in the document session? There is the problem with your name or your father name or your mother name. If the spelling of yours or your mother or your father is not matching with 10th or 12th mark list or certificate, you will be rejected. There are number of cases which I am seeing regularly कि बच्चा एग्जाम क्वालिफाई कर लेता है, फिर बोलता है कि मेरा इसमें नाम बराबर नहीं है, और फिर आपको एफिडेविट लगाना पड़ता है। So before that, at this stage you can check your document and your all document should have all the names. Clear? मेरे दोस्त बहुत आराम से मेरी बात को सुन रहे हो और आप गलती कर रहे हो, ध्यान रखना, ठीक है? आपको बोला बिल्कुल सेंटर में बैठे, इधर उधर भाई साहब देखते खड़े हो जाइए। आप भी भाई साहब, यस, मेरी निगाह यहाँ से लेके लास्ट तक, कोई बच नहीं सकता है, बैठ जाओ, ठीक है? तो ये हो गया आपका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। नाउ लास्ट आ गया आपका मेरिट। एक बार आप मेरिट में आ गए, यू गो फॉर योर ट्रेनिंग। डिफरेंट टाइप्स की ट्रेनिंग है। अगर इंडियन जाते हो तो 3 years एज खड़गवासला, 1 year इन द आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स, वेर एवर यू चूज। If you are choosing army, then you are going to IMA Dehradun. If you are choosing your navy, then you are going to INA Azimala. And if you are choosing Air Force, then you are going to AFA Hyderabad या फिर डुंडीगढ़ उसे बोलते हैं। Complete your 1 year training, put the stars or badges on your shoulders and serve the nation with pride. So this is the way. Now, how to achieve this? Because this is a combined class, how to prepare this is the most important thing. Like you, there may be number of other academies in the classes where students are getting such type of training. Now, who are the successful and who are the failures? What is the difference between them? There is no difference. Only difference is dedication. If you are dedicated towards your goal, nobody can stop you. If you are dedicated, these 5 steps. Clear? समझ में आ गया? अब सबको आपको क्लियर होगा। तो ये होगी 5 steps. Now, how to prepare? इसमें हम करते हैं भाई साहब, धन्यवाद।